So firstly, I'd like to begin by saying thank you for including us in this program. It's a pleasure to be able to participate. My name is Stephanie Michaud, and I'm President and CEO of BioCanRx. We're Canada's immunotherapy network. And we're also proud members of the working group that developed this charter as a collaborator, and we also collaborate with Colorectal Cancer Canada. So it's my pleasure to be here with you today to present on our work that we've done as a group, as a highly collaborative group, to present the Canadian Cancer Trial Stakeholder Charter. So despite emerging initiatives, the prevalence of patient engagement across clinical trials remains as low as 1%. Initiated by Colorectal Cancer Canada and launched in 2017, a Canadianized version of the Clinical Trials Transformation Initiative, otherwise known as CTTI, provided a model pathway for patient groups to have a voice among all stakeholders of the clinical trial continuum. In 2018, to operationalize this model, the development of a charter was initiated, identifying stakeholders' commitments for the engagement of patient and patient groups in cancer clinical trials. A working group composed of a large array of stakeholders as well as participants from Colorectal Cancer Canada drafted the Canadian Cancer Trial Stakeholder Charter. 5 principles guided its development based on patient centricity, on commitment to education and training, collaboration as equal and independent partners, transparency and accountability, and high standards with respect to data collection. After the initial draft, the charter was socialized, including with the participants of the 2019 Colorectal Cancer Canada Conference, and then finalized in 2020. The charter, as you can see here, includes 5 tenets, which are associated with stakeholder commitments. To make patient centricity a norm, the patient perspective is to be integrated through the entire clinical trial continuum. To engage patient groups as equal partners, educational support and training will be offered to patient group members to enable them to participate. Third, to favor collaboration as equal members, stakeholders commit to strive to change the culture. And as fourth, mutually transparent and open communications will be built between patient groups and other stakeholders. Finally, to optimize the quality of evidence, the collection of real-world evidence, otherwise known as RWE, and real-world data, RWD, will be considered for all clinical trials. In conclusion, the charter provides a tangible framework for cancer clinical trial stakeholders to commit to patient centricity. A manuscript has been submitted on the charter, and we are hoping to announce its publication very soon. Once the charter is adopted and implemented, the next steps will be to develop a patient group training program, as well as methodologies for the collection of real-world evidence and real-world data. Thank you so much for your attention.